Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive money from Chime without an account. Let's begin. Now, if you don't have a Chime account, someone can still send you money from Chime, but they'll need to use a workaround since Chime's Pay Anyone feature works best for sending money between Chime accounts. So here are a couple of options that you can use. So the sender can also transfer the money to your account on these platforms such as PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App if they're linked to their Chime account. And they can also use the bank transfer. The sender can initiate a bank transfer from their Chime accounts to your bank account using your bank's routing number and account numbers. Then the other option would be to use the Chime's Pay Anyone with the debit card. So you can go to the top here where it says online banking and then go to Chime Visa debit card. So Chime allows payments to non-Chime users via its Pay Anyone feature. The sender will send money to your email address or phone number. You'll receive a link to claim the money. You'll need to enter your debit card details from another bank to receive the funds. Afterwards, finally, receive a check. If the sender prefers, they can request a paper check from Chime and mail it to you. You can then deposit it into your banking account. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.